Okay, this is how you know your dog loves you. Watch this. Ow! 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 Anytime I cry, anytime I feel bad, anytime I need a friend, I've got my very best friend, Lady. This is my dog, my kid. Come here, baby. Come here. Hi. Say hello. I love her. She's my whole life, and I can't be without this dog. She's my child. Huh. Say, this is my baby, Lady. She loves me. Anytime she hears me crying, anytime I hurt myself, no matter where she is, she will come and find me, and she will be so concerned and offer up such comfort. I love her, and you're my best friend. Mwah! Thank you. Check it out with your dog. See what happens.